Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video we will see central dogma of life. Central dogma of life is basically the flow of genetic information from DNA to RNA and then to make the functional product which is protein. In this diagram you can see that first this is a DNA molecule, and this DNA molecule carries the information needed to make the protein, and this is RNA molecule. RNA molecule acts as a messenger that carries the information to ribosomes. So first DNA replicates, it makes copies of itself with the help of DNA polymerase enzyme. This DNA polymerase enzyme adds the nucleotides in strand, and this is how the existing DNA molecules makes copies and form new DNA molecules. And then this DNA molecule undergoes transcription with the help of RNA polymerase enzyme and form single-stranded messenger RNA molecule. This messenger RNA molecule then transfer its information into a functional product which is protein with the help of ribosomes, and this process is known as translation. In this diagram you can see that gene expression occurs. Gene expression is a process in which DNA instructions are converted into final product protein. So this is known as gene expression, and gene expression occurs in two stages: transcription and translation. Transcription occurs in nucleus in case of eukaryotes. So here you can see the information in DNA is converted into small portable RNA messages, and then these RNA messages travel to ribosomes. These are the ribosomes, and these ribosomes read these codes and make the specific product which is protein, and this is known as translation. In case of prokaryotes, there is no nucleus, so transcription and translation both occurs in cytoplasm. Central dogma of molecular genetics was presented by Francis Crick in 1958, and he discovered that information flows from DNA to RNA and RNA to protein. And when the information is transcribed from DNA to RNA, this is known as transcription. And when the information is transferred from RNA to DNA, this is known as reverse transcription. And reverse transcription occurs in case of retroviruses, that is HIV. So the information can be transferred from DNA to RNA and RNA to protein, but the information does not flow from protein to nucleic acid. It does not occur. First you can see this is a DNA molecule which undergoes replication, makes copies. Then this genetic information in DNA is transcribed into messenger RNA and other kinds of RNA like ribosomal RNA, transfer RNA, microRNA, small nuclear RNAs. These RNAs are involved in protein synthesis, RNA processing, and RNA regulations. And this messenger RNA is translated into a functional product which is protein. So protein have very important function in cell, like it acts as an enzyme which specify or which speeds up the chemical reactions. It also controls the cellular structures and functions, and it also acts as signaling molecule and have very important role in signal transduction pathways. This is the central dogma of life, in which the information is transferred from DNA to the functional product that is protein. But central dogma is not entirely accurate because the research is focusing on function of non-coding RNA. So non-coding RNA is also having important functions. So this does not follow central dogma, but it still has functional role in the cell. That's all about it. If you like this video, then do like and subscribe this channel.